hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, and in this class we are going to discuss proof by principle of mathematical induction. There is another type of problem. Okay, आगु आम जो टाइप रो प्रोग्राम गुडा पढ़ीचे सेटा आम एलएचएस नहीं कि आरएचएस प्रूफ करूथिले. Okay, and in this class we are going to discuss another type of problem, that is divisible problem. This is question number 1. 10 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11 for all n belongs to n. Okay, so जदि ये टाइप रो क्वेश्चन जदि आसे, that is 10 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 1, ताहले हमें कोन करबा? फर्स्ट हमें गोटे ना दे दबा, that is let the statement is denoted by p of n. Okay, such that 10 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 9, sorry, divisible by 11. Okay, procedure same रहिबो. Okay, now I am proof करबा statement for n equal to 1 point truth. For n equal to 1, that is 10 to the power 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 1 equal to what? 10 to the power is 1 plus 1, and this is 11, and 11 is divisible by 11. Okay, 11 is divisible by 11. Okay, so the statement is true, that means P1 is true. Okay, now assume that the statement is true for m equal to m. Assume the statement is true for n equal to m. ताहले ये कौन होगा? This is p of m such that it is 10 to the power 2m minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. Okay, if this one is divisible by 11, ताहले हमें लिखि पारिबा कोन? Implies that 10 to the power 2m minus 1 plus 1 equal to 11 into k लिखि पारिबा, where k belongs to natural number. Okay, if 10 to the power 2m minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11, ताहले हमें लिखि पारिबा कोन? 10 to the power 2m minus 1 plus 1 equal to 11 into k, where k belongs to natural number. Okay, now जदि 10 to the power 2m minus 1 plus 1 equal to 11 के हे जाए, ताहले हमको प्रूफ करे को हबो जे for n equal to m plus 1 the statement is true. Okay, ताहले हमें जो इक्वेशन पाई छे, that is 10 to the power 2m minus 1 plus 1 equal to 11 into k, एही इक्वेशन रो हमें गोटे टर्म बाहर कर दबा, that is 10 to the power 2m minus 1 equal to केते होबो? This is 11k minus 1. Okay, 10 to the power 2m minus 1 equal to होइबो केते? 11k minus 1, and this is equation first. Okay, now we have to prove the statement is true for n equal to m plus 1. Now we have to prove it is true for n equal to m plus 1 ओके तो n इक्वल टू m plus 1 होबो ताहले 10 to the power 2 into m plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 we have to prove it is true for n equal to m plus 1 that is 10 to the power 2m plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11 ए टोटल टर्म टा 11 द्वारा डिविजिबल होबो एटा हमें प्रूफ करवार अछि नाउ हमें पाइछे इक्वेशन 1 ले कोन 10 टू द पावर 2m minus 1 ओके ताले टोटल टर्म जो अछि हमें 10 टू द पावर 2m minus 1 को कोन कन्वर्ट करके लिखिबा नाउ इट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट नाउ हमको प्रूफ करवा को होबो जे दिस स्टेटमेंट इज डिविजिबल बाय 11 okay now 10 to the power 2 into m plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 equal to what this is 10 to the power 2m plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 okay and again it is equal to एटा हमरो केते अछि 10 to the power 2m minus 1 अछि ताहले 10 to the power 2m minus 1 टर्म अछि ताहले मु लिखि पारबी कोन 10 to the power 2m minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 ओके अगेन लिखियो के जामे सेपरेट करबा के 10 to the power 2m minus 1 एटा प्लस अछि 2m minus 1 plus 2 अछि तो हमें आको लिखि पारबा के 10 to the power 2m minus 1 into 10 the square okay this is 10 to the power 2m minus 1 into 10 square plus 1 okay तापरे हमें वैल्यू पुट कर दवा केते 10 to the power 2m minus 1 ले वैल्यू पुट कर दवा 11k minus 1 and it is 11k minus 1 into 10 the power square that is 100 okay plus 1 यदि ब्रैकेट ओपन करा जाए this is equal to 100 into 11k okay minus 100 plus 1 and again it is equal to 100 into 11k minus 99 अभी हमें 11 कॉमन नबा ताहले हिजबो केते 100k minus 9 because 11 is a factor of this okay a total term जो हमें बाहर पे लिखना 10 to the 2m 2 into m plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 रो 11 होची गोटे फैक्टर सो हमें कहि पारबा कोन this term is divisible by 11 okay now which is divisible by 11 which is divisible by 11 okay so the given statement is true for all n belongs to n okay this is the solution of question number 1 now question number 2 and question number 2 let the statement is denoted by p of n such that 7 to the power n minus 2 to the power n is divisible by 5 is divisible by 5 okay now the statement is true for n equal to 1 hame kariba this is for n equal to 1 this is for all n belongs to for all positive integer कोइछि ओके तो n equal to 1 पे कोन हो ये देखो 7 to the power 1 minus 2 to the power 1, this is 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Okay, is divisible by 5, is divisible by 5. Okay, divisible by 5. Okay, so P1 is true, so P1 is true. Now we have to assume that the statement is true for, assume it is true for n equal to m. Okay, now P of m such that 7 to the power m minus 2 to the power m, okay, is divisible by 5, is divisible by 5. So हमें लिखी पारबा कोन, implies that 7 to the power m minus 2 to the power m equal to 5 into k, where k belongs to positive integer. Okay, where k belongs to positive integer. Now 7 to the power m equal to kete is about 2m plus 5k. Okay, now 7 to the power m is about kete, this is equal to 2 to the power m plus 5k. Okay, this is equation first. Now we prove that it is true for n equal to m plus 1. Okay, now we prove it is true for n equal to m plus 1. Okay, for this we have proved, for this this is 7 to the power m plus 1 minus 2 to the power m plus 1 is divisible by 5, is divisible by 5. Okay, এটা আমাকে প্রুফ করা আছে। now 7 to the power m plus 1 minus 2 to the power m plus 1 equal to, यहाँ पे लिखिए होगा कितने, this is 7 to the power m into 7 to the power 1 minus 2 to the power m, okay, into 2 to the power 1. Okay, now this is equal to 7 to the power m equal to what, 2 to the power m plus 5k into 7. Okay, and minus 2 into 2 to the power m. Now it is equal to 7 into 2 to the power m. Okay, this is equal to what, 7 5s, this is 35k. Okay, minus this is equal to what, 2 into 2 to the power m. Okay, अब जब मैं 2 to the power m यदि कॉमन नहीं जीवा, 2 to the power m यदि कॉमन न बात आले कितने होगा, 7 minus 2 plus 35k. Okay, and again it is equal to what, this is 5 into 7 minus 2 5 into 2 to the power m plus 35k. यदि 5 यदि हमें कॉमन न बा, this is equal to 2 to the power m plus 7k. Okay. to the power m plus 7k, and which is divisible by what? 5. Is divisible by 5. Okay, so the given statement is divisible by 5 for all positive integer. Okay, now move to question number 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 কইছি pn টা কেতে দিব, that is pn such that 3 to the power 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 8 কইছি, is divisible by 8. Okay, now this is for all n belongs to n page. Now for n equal to 1, this is 3 to the power 2 into 1 plus 2 minus 8 into 1 plus 9. This is equal to what? 3 to the power 2 plus 2 4 and minus 8 plus 9. Okay, and this is 3 3 is 9, 9 9 is 81, 81 plus 9 minus 8 equal to 90 minus 8 equal to 82. Okay, and this is 8 3 to the power 4, this is minus 8, 91 plus 9 minus 8, and this is equal to 90 minus 8, and this is equal to 82. Okay, so sorry minus 9 ଅଛି ଏଠି, plus 9 এটা কোন ଅଛି minus 9 ଅଛି, this is minus 9. Okay, this is minus 8, it is minus 9, it is minus 9. Okay, so 81 minus 17, this is 4, and this is 7 minus 1, this is 6, and this is 64. Okay, and 64 is divisible by 8. Okay, 64 is divisible by 8. Okay, 64 is divisible by 8. Now we have to prove the statement is true for n equal to m. Now eta he gala kono p1 ta true he gala, p1 is true. Okay, now assume it is true for n equal to m. It is true for n equal to m. This is p of m such that 3 to the power 2m plus 2 minus 8m, okay, minus 9 is divisible by 8, is divisible by 8. Okay, so if it is divisible by 8 তাহলে আমি লিখি পারবা কোন this is now that is 3 to the power 2m plus 2 minus 8m, okay, minus 9 equal to 8 into k. Okay, again আমি একটু লিখি পারবা কোন 3 to the power 2m plus 2 equal to 8k plus 8m plus 9. This is the equation first. Okay, now we have to prove the statement is true for n equal to m plus 1. Now we have to prove it is true for n equal to m plus 1. Okay, and for this we have what? 3 to the power 2 into m plus 1 plus 2 minus 8 into m plus 1 minus 9. Okay, is divisible by 8. And I will prove करवार अछि. We have to prove it is true for n equal to m plus 1, that is 3 to the power 2 into m plus 1 plus 2 minus 8 into m plus 1 minus 9 is divisible by 8. Now a total value को हमें बाहर करवा है common factor of what? 8. Now एटा हमें पाइसे गोटे इक्वेशन कोन, that is 3 to the power 2m plus 2 equal to 8k plus 8m plus 9, where k is belongs to natural number. Side रे लिखा हो हला, where k is belongs to natural number. Now we have 3 to the power 2 into m plus 1 plus 2 minus 8 into m plus 1 minus 9 equal to, this is equal to what? 3 to the power 2m plus 2 into 3 to the power square. Okay, and this is minus 8m and this is minus 8 and this is minus 9. Okay, and it is equal to what? 3 3s are 9 and 3 to the power 2m plus 2 रो value केते अछि? This is 8k plus 8m plus 9. Okay, and it is equal to minus 8m and this is minus 17. Okay, and bracket open कर देले केते हो, that is 72k. Okay, now this is 72m and this is 81 and this is minus 8m and this is minus 17. Okay, now 72k, this is 72m minus 8m. Okay, and this is 4, that is 64m. Okay, and this is 81 minus 17 and this is 81 minus 17, this is 4 and 7 minus 1, this is 64. Okay, and if we take the common 8 তাহলে ये हो केते 9k plus 8m plus 8. Okay, so this belongs to a common factor, it's a product of common factor 8. So we have to say that this total is divisible by what? 8. Okay, is divisible by 8. It divisible by 8. তাহলে আমি লিখবা কোন for since the statement is true for n equal to m plus 1, for which it is true for n equal to m, so the given statement is true for all natural number. Okay, so এই ক্লাস রে আমি তিনোটি নম্বর প্রবলেম র সলিউশন বিষয়ে ডিটেলস রে পড়িলে. ওকে, in the next class ଆଉ କିଛି problem solution ବାହାର କରିବା. So till that, take care and thanks to all of you.